Hi guys, you're tuned into My Dad Says Audio. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today we'll be doing a follow-up video on my father's Technics SB-CD502 loudspeakers. He's done a few mods and repairs. Dad, what can you tell us about the Technics speakers?
Okay, carrying on from the last video that we did on resuscitating and upgrading these Technics loudspeakers. Thought we'd do a quick little video to show you where it's gone from since the last video. With the boxes, I've painted the inside of the boxes, all the wooden surfaces with this stuff, Aquadeer, using a paintbrush. And once that had dried, the car enthusiasts will probably recognise this. It's a butyl rubber sheet that you use for the dampening road noise on the inside of cars. Usually is the more usual application. You can see here I've got a sheet of it. It's a butyl rubber with an adhesive surface and an aluminium layer. And I've used a sheet of that to help dampen the inside of the box as well. And on top of that, I've added a bit of acoustic dampening with this 3mm wool felt. You can see here I've put on a bit on the inside that goes halfway around the box. There's a fiberglass bat on the back, so I don't really need to attend to that. Anyway, that makes the box talk a little bit less and adds a tiny little bit more dampening just behind the mid-bass driver. The other thing I've done, you may recall that I worked out what the circuit was with regard to the crossover, and you can see here I've only done one at the moment. Might look like a bit of a dog's breakfast, but it's hardwired in comparison to this. So I've used all plastic caps for the two values that we had to make up, and also, like I said, I've reused the inductors, but if you look there, that's very poor. You'll get coupling between between both inductors with it set out like that, and it's actually exacerbated by having a screw that goes through the center of both of them. So what I've done is reused the inductors, but if you have a look, the orientation is at 90 degrees to each other, and that way you don't get any real cross coupling. Also, by doing it this way, I've managed to get rid of the circuit board. And what I didn't show in this is, in the original one, it's got a circuit breaker, which used to be just there. So we no longer have the circuit breaker. It doesn't really serve any useful purpose. By the time you trip it, you've probably blown the drivers anyway. So it doesn't really serve any positive purpose as far as I'm concerned. And as you can see, we got the new terminal blocks.
Give us a look.
Which is a bit better than
They were spring-loaded clips, weren't they?
well,
before?
there's the old ones. There you go.
Yeah,
Spring clips.
spring-loaded. Yeah.
It's a bit more user friendly, I guess.
Yeah, I was going to say versatile. It's you can use it with bare wire, spades, or bananas.
So I've finished this one, which is one, and then I've got the other one to make. There's the two caps that we need, 33 microfarad and 4.7 microfarad. I guess the next video, once I've finished doing the other crossover, the next video will doubtlessly be us telling you what they sound like.
All right, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys like this kind of content, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. All right, guys, until next time, have a good one. Bye.